It's an exciting time to be at Mobile World Congress. Today, we are unveiling a new Galaxy smartphone with powerful software and services to manage every facet of your connected life. A smartphone that includes the new SmartThings app to provide a unified and easy way to control all your SmartThings devices. A smartphone that lets you share images and videos across your smart TV and family hub refrigerator. And a smartphone with Samsung Health to help you live a better, healthier life. We are adding an advanced optic sensor to track how hard your heart is working. And we are partnering with the University of California, San Francisco School of Medicine for the first research program to use this sensor to measure blood pressure. At Samsung, we believe it's time for a new kind of phone, not just a great smartphone that takes good pictures. A breakthrough camera that sees the world clearly in any light. Built around an amazing smartphone. I'm thrilled to unveil the first smartphone built for the way you use your phone today. And the only smartphone with the power to help you reimagine how you will experience the world tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus.
When we released the Infinity display, most people had never seen anything like it. Its groundbreaking design offered more screen in less space and quickly set a new industry standard. With the S9, we've built on this foundation, taking the same immersive end-to-end display and refining it even further. We've created a design so sleek and unified, you can hardly tell where the screen ends. And as always, there's no notch. The Galaxy S9 comes in 4 stunning colors. Now, once you have your badge out, make sure you take your phone out too. I know we usually ask you to put phones down, but this time bring it out and open the Unpacked app on your phone. There's a little button in the corner that says AR, click that. Now scan your badge facing you there with your phone. And as you do that, what's going to happen is your badge is going to transform into the Galaxy S9 right there in your hands. Now, in case you haven't figured it out yet, you can flip over your badge, and now you can look at the back of the phone. Now, when you do this, this is when you need to check out all the colors. So at the bottom, you can select colors, pick your favorite one. Of course, you've got to check out the lilac purple. So from front to back and outside in, this device is designed for the visual and social generation. And to create the S9, we completely reimagined the camera and built an amazing phone around it to create the ultimate tool for communication and self-expression.
At Samsung, we've always been committed to leading the industry with our camera technology. The Galaxy S9 has a dual aperture smartphone camera that's actually designed to work like the human eye. If it's bright outside, the camera will automatically use a smaller aperture. And when it gets dark, the camera switches over to a wider aperture. In fact, the widest ever included in a smartphone. With the S9, we've integrated a DRAM memory chip directly into the camera as part of our new super speed dual pixel image sensor. Our DRAM memory chip powers the S9's all-new Super Slow-Mo experience. With Super Slow-Mo, you can record videos at an incredible 960 frames per second. Video on the left is normal slow-mo. The one on the right is super slow-mo on the Galaxy S9 camera. So you can set your slow-mo video as your lock screen to give your infinity display a unique personal touch. The S9 Plus comes with both a wide-angle lens and a telephoto lens. And it has optical image stabilization in both lenses, so you can take clear, focused shots. With live focus, the S9 Plus lets you take beautiful portraits by adjusting the blur of the background to make the subject really stand out. You can use all these incredible new camera features no matter where life takes you. Because, of course, the S9 is protected from the elements with water and dust resistance. Dual aperture for amazing shots day and night. A new super speed image processor for epic super slow-mo videos. And a powerful dual camera on the S9 Plus.
You can use either your front or back camera to map your unique facial features and expressions and create emojis that actually look like you. It's amazing, right?
The really cool thing is with AR emoji is that it's super simple and easy to create them and personalize them. Go to AR emoji, create my emoji, and now use the front-facing camera to take a photo. It's actually as simple as taking a selfie. Just remove my glasses so it gets a clear view of my face. There we go. Now just taking my image and creating my AR emoji. And there it is.
Nice.
All right, wait. It's a bit generous with the hair. So all we do is open up the camera, go to AR emoji, create my emoji, and now use the front-facing camera to take a photo. It's actually as simple as taking a selfie. Just remove my glasses so it gets a clear view of my face. There we go. Now just taking my image and creating my AR emoji. And there it is.
Last year, we introduced Bixby, our artificial intelligence platform that helps you do more with your phone. Let's say you want to translate a foreign language. Now, Bixby uses AR to show you search results in real time. Just hold up your camera, and Bixby will automatically detect the language and translate it for you live. So first, open up the camera, then I choose Bixby, then you select text search. I wonder what bacalao al horno could be. You hold it up, and Bixby will translate it for me live. Baked cod. Sounds good. Your camera can identify what food is on your plate and log the nutritional information directly into Samsung Health, so you don't have to spend ages adding it manually. Thanks to our partnerships with leading cosmetics brands Sephora, CoverGirl, and Amore Pacific, Bixby lets you try on makeup virtually. The S9 will also be compatible with Google AR Core.
The S9 at 5.8-inch and the S9 Plus at 6.2-inch. And they look great too. The S9 features speakers on both ends of the device. They're the loudest ever in a Galaxy phone. Dolby Atmos takes advantage of the S9's new stereo speakers to move sound all around you in 3 dimensions, so you can fully lose yourself in the film you're watching. The S9 is powered by one of the most advanced chipsets on the market. We're constantly improving the entire multitasking experience. When you get a notification, you can just drag it down and open it in a new window, right on top of the current one. So you can respond to a message without interrupting the video you're watching. Our home screen now supports horizontal orientation. So when you're switching between apps, you don't have to keep flipping your phone around.
Today, Samsung Pay is available in 20 markets, and we are continuing to expand to make the mobile payment even more accessible. And Samsung SmartThings, we brought one of the largest IoT ecosystems under a single umbrella So controlling the most important devices in your life is as easy as flipping a switch. From our software APIs all the way down to our chipsets, security is integrated throughout our devices with Samsung Knox. And Knox has received more government security approvals and top rankings from industry analysts than any other platform. DeX lets power a PC-like environment straight from your phone. Users and companies love DeX, so we've made it even better. We've introduced a brand new DeX pad and Knox integration to create a seamless experience for IT managers. And services like Samsung DeX, among the most exciting frontiers of technology. Every day, Bixby is learning and getting better, while our engineers push the boundaries of mobile intelligence to the next level. We will be sharing very exciting news about Bixby later this year, so please stay tuned.
We are very excited by the new Galaxy S9. And more exciting news, you can check it out starting on March 16th when it's available in retail stores. If that's too long to wait, you can pre-order at Samsung.com and our partner retail stores.